Changing a tube light rod might seem daunting at first, but it's simpler than you imagine. The first step, safety first. Turn off the power to the light fixture. This is crucial to avoid accidents. Never skip it. Once the power's off, remove the protective cover or housing around the tube light. You might need to unscrew it or unclip it depending on the design. Grime and dust are common here, so a cleaning wipe helps. Now it's time to remove the old tube. Most fixtures require you to rotate the tube slightly until the electrodes are exposed. Gripping firmly, gently pull it towards you. It might be a bit stiff, but that's normal. Let's talk pain points. Old tubes can be fragile, often breaking with slight pressure. So handle gently and wear gloves. Glass splinters are not your friend. Trust me, in there, done that. Selecting the right replacement is key. Visit your local hardware store with the old tube, or know its specs, like length and wattage. Approximately 75% of the time, mismatched tubes can cause malfunctions. When inserting the new tube, and align its pins with the slots on the fixture. Watch your alignment, it's everything. A misaligned tube can mean spending extra hours figuring out why it won't light up. Gently rotate the tube into the locked position. The firm click usually indicates it's secure. This step requires a slight but careful force. Think of it like turning a door handle. Before reattaching any cover or housing, quickly check for any debris or dust inside the fixture. It might seem trivial, but dust can affect the function by up to 15%. Getting this right is critical. After cleaning, reaffix the protective cover. Ensure screws or clips are tight. Nobody wants an unstable light fixture. Loose fittings led to a whopping 30% of light fixture incidents last year. Moment of truth, switch the power back on and test the light. If it flickers, you've got a problem. Faulty tubes or poor contacts are usual suspects. Checking these ensures it lights smoothly. Pro tip, if replacing multiple lights, label old tubes before discarding. This helps recall which ones might still work for emergencies. Surprisingly, 40% of discarded tubes still have life left. It actually has changing a tube light rod isn't rocket science. It's about precision and order. Each completed task not only adds a new set of skills, but also leaves you with a sense of accomplishment. Here's to shedding light.